Delicious Factory. Franchise stores and factories operate for the same purpose, to manufacture and sell goods. In factories, smart factories are trending to collect and analyze the data in the factory to improve operations. Unlike this flow of smart factories, franchise stores are managed only by sales data, and sales through various platforms, such as delivery apps and mobile apps, are difficult to collect data in real time. In addition, the various new equipment or services that are introduced in stores are not compatible with the existing technology, making it difficult to integrate or improve processes. SoundGraph introduces Delicious Factory, a franchise store management solution that integrates ordering, cooking, and pickup processes. Improve franchise store operations by transforming KDS, Kitchen Display System, into a hub for the store, managing the ordering, cooking, and pickup processes, and collecting and analyzing data from each process. So, let's take a look at how Delicious Factory works. Order data from POS, kiosks, mobile apps, and delivery apps are all passed through to KDS. If KDS shows you the recipe for the menu to start making from an incoming order, anyone can quickly and easily make any drink without memorizing a recipe, right? Delicious Factory also comes with the dispenser to make the drink-making process easier. By connecting your dispensers to KDS, you can control them to dispense the right ingredients and the right quantities for your order, so anyone can recreate the exact flavor of the recipe. Dispensers that dispense a variety of ingredients are automatically cleaned at the end of the day and calibrated for quantitative dispensing. Delicious Factory also proposes a new pickup process. Simply place your ready-to-go food and beverages on the pickup table, and the AI camera will recognize the food and beverages on the table and display the order number next to the food and beverages. Once the customer picks up their food and beverages, you can also communicate with them with a personalized message. Happy birthday! Have a great day! All of this information collected during the ordering, cooking, and pickup process is backed up in real time to the cloud and presented as infographics through KDS, providing insights into store operations. Graphical representations of production quantities and production time by hour, which allows you to organize your shifts efficiently. You can also analyze sales by period and menu to identify where you need to improve and forecast future sales. What if there are unsold or out-of-stock items per store? If you mark a menu as unsold or out of stock in KDS, you can suppress it from menu boards and kiosks or mark it as sold out. Similarly, you can add best, new, and season marks to any menu on your menu boards and kiosks. New menu announcements on promotion boards can also be customized by store through KDS. Of course, these store management features are also available to admins at headquarters. Managers at headquarters have access to data from all stores. Even overseas stores with different payment systems can use KDS to understand what's happening in their stores in real time. You can also control each store's menu boards, kiosks, promotion boards, and more directly from headquarters. The customer experience in a store with Delicious Factory will be completely transformed. You'll be able to deliver recipe-accurate flavors anytime, anywhere, and give customers an accurate estimated pickup time as soon as they place their order. Even better, customers can set their own pickup time. KDS will let you know when to start manufacturing so you can meet your customers' pickup times. SoundGraph began developing cloud-based digital menu boards in 2013 and has since installed, managed, and operated over 45,000 devices in over 20 countries, over 500 brands, and over 8,500 stores. And now, we're introducing Delicious Factory, which will revolutionize the process for franchise stores. With Delicious Factory, you can integrate your store's processes, analyze data collected in real time, and offer new experiences to your customers. SoundGraph.